In this video, I'm going to show you SEMrush features. So you will see, for example, you can do keyword research. You can audit your page with on-page SEO. You can analyze your competitor. You can optimize your content with the content marketing features. Usually you will have to pay more, like to upgrade your package. You can track your local SEO. You can do rank tracking, so you will track daily with target keywords your articles and posts who rank on this keyword. You will be able to manage your social media. It's also with a premium plan, so you will have to upgrade your plan. It's not with the standard plan. Link building, so you will, for example, find opportunities to get backlinks. You also can analyze your competitor again with their keywords, their backlinks. You can optimize your content, and you can also do like a SEA. So it's like paid advertisement with Google. So you can find paid keywords, you can find the PPC keyword, and you will be able to optimize with a long tail keyword. And you can also analyze your competitors with the paid advertisement on Google. There is like many categories: SEO, content optimization, market research with competitors, advertisement, and social media management. So for the pricing, it's $120 per month. So it's the pro package, and the guru package is like $230 per month, and the business package $450 per month. The differences between guru package and pro package is just like you can optimize, as I said earlier, your content with the content marketing platform. You can get access also to historical data, and the business is like just extended limits, sharing options with customers. It's more for agencies, actually, as they said here. And you can see for the limits, Guru is like 3 times more for the results per report, 4 times more for the keyword metrics updates. We can also have many projects. So one project is like one website. So for example, the pro package is like 5 websites, a Guru package 15 websites, and the business package you can track 40 websites. The keywords to track is like 5,000 maximum. So if you have more than 5,000, you will have to pay more, and you get audit, etc. And also there is some add-on, for example, agency growth kit. So you can pay 100 more. Obviously it's for agency who wants like advanced report branding, white label, and also competitive intelligence add-on. So it's to track maybe every day your competitors. So $200 per month. Finally, you can get like 10 research per day for free. So you can register with the link in the bio or the link on the review on SEMrush review, and we will see this together. So for example, I did a small research. So when you are registered, you will be able to use the SEO dashboard, but you will not be able to use the content marketing, the competitive research, and not the advertising also. It's just for SEO. So I'm showing on my premium account. So this is why there is no limit. But you can see, for example, if you write your website, I'm usually doing it. You can see, for example, zeroapp.com. You can even write it and you will see the same results maybe. You can see there is a 16 about authority score, organic search traffic for worldwide. It's 1K, and there is like 1.7K keywords. There is referring domains, so 150 websites are linking on ZeroApp, and you can see the data for all time or 6 months. You can see everything. And it's for free, actually. You can see the top organic keywords. So like it's for German, but you can do French, for example. You can see Filmora 9, AdvertSuite, BuddyBoss. You can see the ranking. You can see the competitors. You can see the backlinks and anchors. Also referring domains. It's like an overview of your domain, as they say, domain overview. And you have some limit, like you can, for example, see the keywords. Freemium plan, it's like 10 keywords. And as you can see, there is like 160. So you'll just get the first one who get the most traffic. And also you can use the SEO Quake Chrome extension for free. You just have to download it. It's free. And you can link your freemium SEMrush account. And so after you will be able to get data like this. For example, all the page info, the backlinks, the DA, the number of words, like everything about the URL of the post or of the website. Like density keyword, internal links, everything. And it's for free. But still, if you are using the freemium plan, you will get some limits. So if you really need SEO software, I think SEMrush is the best, the most trusted, the most powerful. They have the big database, and they also have this extension SEO Quake, can be really helpful. So I recommend you to give it a try. You have the link in the bio, and then if you really like it, you can still use the freemium plan, or you can upgrade and pay $120 per month. And I think if it helps you to find great keywords and improve your SEO, obviously you will get more money, more visitors, and $100 per month will be nothing. So I hope you like it. You can also share this review with your friends, and I hope you will enjoy SEMrush and give it a try. It's free, it's really helpful, and you will be able to know everything about your website.